Hi friends, this video shows how to scan all apps for viruses and malwares. Go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner, go to privacy, go down, set security, set scan apps with play protect. First let me enable this option. Done. So when we enable this option, device will scan all apps using Google Play Protect and detect viruses and malwares. Let me go to the second option, improve harmful app detection. Enable it. When we enable this option, device will send all unknown apps to Google for better scanning and find viruses and malwares. So this way we can scan all apps installed in the device for viruses and malwares. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.